Okay, this is how I took this rolling cart. Somebody left it out by the dumpster where everybody leaves the free stuff. And it wasn't dirty, it was next to the recycling things. And so here's the handle. It just popped right on, see? I didn't need to drill anything, just it's under there. Okay, so I took this cart. I took a marker. I'm doing this with one hand. These, and then what I did was I marked each hole, each one, so that's 8. Doesn't take long, you're just putting a marker there. And then into each hole, boom. That took all of 2 minutes to mark the holes and then drill straight down into a hole. And so once I got the holes drilled, you can go under or through, and I started out doing 2, and these are the leftover ties from what was on the Christmas lights. When you take them out of the box, they're all wrapped up. So I always save those. They're very handy for a lot of things. So pick it up and twist. And then I got smart. When I got to the second one, what I did was diagonal. Up through one, under, and up through the other side, and then simply twist them. Okay, so this one I twisted across because this is my guide caster. So this will keep, when you're pulling it, this will keep it from going all over the place. It won't be perfect, but you just need one, a directional. So right, and that's it. It's really light. The casters cost me $1.79 at Harbor Freight. They're the small ones, see that they're perfect. And what I'll do is I'll leave this on the back porch here, throw my garbage in it, and when I need to take the garbage out to the dumpster, whoops, that table was in the way, sorry. When I need to take the garbage out to the dumpster, that's all I gotta do is pull. Just pull it. Just like that. Okay, and then it's so light that you could carry it if you don't want to make so much racket. It's not terribly loud. Okay, so you also can do zip ties with, instead of those. See, one came off, so later I will put some zip ties on it. But it's so light that you can just pick it up, carry it back to your apartment, or you can drag it back, roll it back. I mean, it's not that loud, but if you want to, it's not huge, big and bulky like these, or like a garbage can. This one, you can drag it back and forth. You can pick it up. You check your mail, throw your mail in it, come back from the dumpster. Okay. There's always a way to figure it out. Don't let anybody tell you that things can't be figured out. They can. Okay. More later.